It's the face he's making.
You can see his face.
It's like a ventriloquist.
Do that thing you were doing that night at the restaurant, Dad.
He does that. No, you won't do it now that Poppy came over here to see.
Oh, he's a boy. They all like the sound effects, don't they?
We're gonna get Nancy over here and make her cry like a baby.
Oh my, oh my, you got the idea.
He's torn. He doesn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.